Hi, 你好. Welcome to Miss Carrie's Chinese class. This is Miss Carrie. I'm a Chinese teacher. Today we have a new topic. Today we're going to learn about food. So food in Chinese is 食物. 食物. Okay, follow me 3 times. 食物,食物,食物. Yes, I'm going to show you what kind of 食物 we are going to learn today. Okay, so just look at my screen. Then you can see what we're gonna learn. The first 食物 is 饼干.
饼干
Okay, say 饼干,饼干,饼干. Very good.
牛奶
Now this is 牛奶 means milk. 牛奶,牛奶. Very good. Now this is your favorite, right? As you can see, chocolate. In Chinese, chocolate means 巧克力,
巧克力
巧克力.
鸡蛋
And the eggs is 鸡蛋,鸡蛋. I'm gonna share with you one more food.
面包
Bread is 面包. So repeat after me. 面包,面包,面包,面包,面包,面包. Okay, and let's review just one more time.
饼
饼干 is cookie. So 饼干,饼干,饼干.
干牛奶
牛奶,牛奶,牛奶 milk.
巧克力
巧克力,巧克力 chocolate.
鸡蛋
鸡蛋,鸡蛋 eggs.
面包
面包,面包 bread. I hope that you have learned something, some Chinese with Miss Carrie today. And we will see you next time. 再见,再见 means goodbye. So 再见,再见,再见. Hope you remember the food that we learned. You can remember how to say cookies in Chinese now. 饼干. How to say bread in Chinese now. 面包. How to say eggs now in Chinese. 鸡蛋. And how to say chocolate in Chinese. 巧克力. All right, so practice more and you can watch more times and learn more Chinese with Miss Carrie. Now again, goodbye in Chinese is 再见,再见,再见. So 再见 means goodbye and 下次见. See you next time. 再见,再见.